Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. What do you think? Wow.
Wow.
All right folks, this is a 2026 Jayco North Point, model number 382 FLRB. So let's get started. The length on that North Point is 43 feet 10 inches. The dry weight is 15,470 with a hitch weight of 3,045 with a GVWR of 17,995. And as you can see, it has got full body paint.
Yeah, this one is absolutely gorgeous, and it's large. So this is definitely one of those you're going to need a snack, because we're going to take you all the way through this one. We are excited about it.
Now they have different paint packages.
There are 3 different paint packages. This specific one is called Smoke. And it is just, it's gorgeous, guys. Starting up here at the pin box, of course you're going to have more ride. Great storage up here. The batteries are going to go over here. Now this is going to have 6-point hydraulic leveling on it.
I can't let go of the door.
Yeah, it's a little breezy out here, so hopefully the mics aren't picking that up. But we got a couple of propane tanks right there. Your docking station is going to be in here. Your leveling will be right up there. This is going to have the 3-stage water filtration system in here. And we'll show you the other side of the basement when we get to the other side.
Tankless water heater.
Tankless water heater. And don't be too judgy on this front basement. There's much more to come. Now this first
Can you
slide,
even get the side of this thing?
I got it from the other side. We're right up against a fence over here, so it's kind of hard to see. But this side has got 3 Schwintech slides on it.
Yeah, they do.
And this is going to be access to the back of your fridge, so in case you need to do some work there, you can get to it. This is going to have the MORryde CRE 3000 suspension on it. Now, if you were concerned about that front basement, don't be. You have all of this right back here.
There's your pools.
Yes, dump area, spares
Spare
under
tires.
there. We do have another dump area right there.
Good night.
Now this is at the back. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is a great storage area. And so you can get to it from the side, and you can also access that from the back. So, just like that. How awesome is that? You are going to have a towing package on this up to 3,000 pounds. Just tow carefully if that's what you choose to do. Ooh, it's breezy. This is what your back cap looks like. It is beautiful. I love that the Jayco is in these really shiny silver letters. It shows up and looks great. It's going to be prepped for a backup camera, and you do have a ladder back here.
And they're raised.
They're raised. They are raised letters. They look amazing. Another shot down the side here just so you can see this gorgeous Smoke paint package. Oh my goodness, I'm going to be out of breath just walking around it because it's huge. So yeah, you've got this awesome kitchen here with this pull-out grill.
And extension here on the end.
It does have a sink. You've got electric up here, a bottle opener, mini fridge. I mean, you are set up for tailgating. You got speakers back here. They're down low where they belong. This is the other side of the back part of the basement. You've got JBL controls here, and you can bring your TV satellite cables already in place. The awnings are
14 and 14.
So you're going to have 28 feet of awnings to sit under. So what more could you possibly ask for?
Yeah.
Looking up here at the front storage. So this is the other side. You do see that you've got your vac system here, another electrical outlet there, one up there, and you can bring another TV to the front of your fifth wheel. And a third ginormous propane tank.
And their sticker is right here.
Yeah.
120
pounds. Of course, guys, we just filled a tank this week, so we've gone 2 years on a 20-pound tank.
Yeah.
We don't use a whole lot. Now on your front slide here, you're going to have a rack and pinion on this one, and then a Schwintek up there. So, ooh, this one is just amazing. So, get that second bag of popcorn. Let's go in and take a look.
Popcorn. Grab a hot dog.
Quick look this way. I'll give you a little sneak peek back there for just a second. Now this is a front living, hence it's called the Flurb.
Flurb.
So we'll just go right up the stairs and start at the front. Now this one is going to have sort of a reversed layout. So instead of having your TV up in the nose cap, you have your theater seating. You're going to have great storage on both sides.
Are they both the same?
I believe they're the same on both sides.
Yes.
Yes. Absolutely
Oh.
cool. Oh, you got your subwoofer down there. That's not little. That's a pretty good size subwoofer. Your front windshield is going to have a blackout shade. They give you these wonderful little tables right here. You can swivel them around as you need them or take them out. The armrest here in the middle is actually removable, so if you don't want that, you can remove it. Now in your side slides, you have triple sofas. You know, a lot of times you only get like love seats in these slides, but this is going to give you triple sofas on each side. They are going to make into a sleeping area. So as you see, you get the same on both sides. I believe this one is going to have 3 AC units.
Yes. Not only your day and night
Day
shades.
and night shades, yes. Now this is a North Point, so you're moving up the ladder. Speaking of the AC units up here in the front, you are going to have the whisper quiet, so you're not going to have the big square up here in the middle. But not only do you have all of these wonderful seating areas, they also give you this ottoman, so you'll have storage if you need it. Move it wherever you need to. Then, when you come up here and have a seat in this theater seat, you are sitting in front of this huge, what is this, a 60-inch? 65.
You know, I didn't even bring my tape measure in.
Oh my goodness, I cannot believe you didn't bring your tape measure.
Sorry.
All right, well,
I'll go get it.
While he is running that, I will just go ahead and finish out in here. You have got some storage under here, and of course all of your cables will hide in that area right there. Heating is going to be in the cabinetry up here. It is not in the floor. You've got a little bit of a ledge here so you can rest your remotes if you need to. Right below that is your electric fireplace. Great for those cooler mornings, but we actually warmed up a little bit this morning, so we don't need that this morning.
Oh dear goodness.
Can you even get it out there?
Yeah. 65.
Oh my goodness, this has a...
Yeah.
And this is a televator. So if you're entertaining and you want to have this open into your kitchen area, just push the button and this will go down and you will be open. Speaking of kitchen, let's come down here, because on the other side of that is a second TV, and this looks like a 40-inch. So it is a 40. Again, that's a televator, so if you don't want it to be separated, you can lower it down and have everything open. Oh my goodness, at your pantry here. This is super nice. There's your stuff for your vacuum.
No. That's all your paperwork.
Oh, that's all your paperwork. Okay. Somewhere there's a vacuum hose. We'll find it. You do have fuses down here. That should be the covers for the back of your chairs.
Yes.
Yeah. Then right here, you have a little spot. I don't think that's big enough to put a coffee pot unless you have one of those new mini Keurigs. It might fit, but that's a great spot for your keys and things, and then there's storage below it. And here's your televator switch to put that up and down.
You also got power and USB, USB over here.
Yes. Now in your kitchen area, you're going to have a huge, this is microwave, convection, air fryer, all that good stuff in there. Marvelous storage all the way around it. Solid surface countertops. The large residential size 4-burner cooktop with oven.
And these drawers are...
Yes, they are solid. You can look at them and tell that they're solid. Nice cutlery drawer. Now your island here in the middle is going to have solid surface. Got a nice large sink. We kind of call this a little bit of the swanky sink. You've got your cup washer, soap dispenser. You are going to have your fruit and vegetable washing waterfall that comes out over there. Nice. Pull out garbage. You're going to have a cutting board. Then it's going to have this neat little hole that you can scrape your peelings and things off into. Big drawers right here. Oh, it's just nice.
What is this?
This is a big GE. Yeah, residential side-by-side fridge. And again, we showed you the door on the outside so that if you need to service the fridge, you've got really easy access to it.
You want to go ahead and do the table?
Yes, let's do this table. In here, while I'm kind of pointed up, you have this really neat chandelier above your island, and you're going to have your second AC, which is a regular AC up here. So you see that it is the regular square. Now this table system, wow. So you can push it in the way it was when we first come in, have 2 seats, pull it out this way, have room for 4 people. There's storage underneath. It's going to be the same on, should be the same on both sides. Yeah, so you've got a wonderful tower of power right there, so you can sit here and work if you need to. Yeah, now Jayco is just wonderful about these light controls. There's going to be several of these throughout the coach so that you can control all of your lighting. Nice high ceilings in here. Should be able to tell that there is just a slight arch to it, so we're not using a weird camera angle or anything. There actually is a slight barrel ceiling. And now,
I like this. They put a magnet on your door.
I'm gonna tell you, we've tried to open some of these doors, and they have got some really strong magnets in here. Okay, so if you've got guests staying up here in the living room, you've got a half bath right here for them. There is a medicine cabinet, and there is solid surface in this half bath. Great storage underneath. Your tissue holders already in place.
And
got some lighting under there. Heat. And this is a porcelain foot flush toilet. So, let's see. And they do give you a fan right up there.
And if we didn't show it, there's heating in the...
Yes, I pointed it out.
Somewhere. There was one up there. And
up there. Too. So there, and right over there under that cabinet is going to be your vacuum system. There's just so much to see, guys. I mean, this one is just amazing. So coming right in the door, you're going to have this really great cabinet that you can hang your coats, hang your leashes, or you can pop these little shelves down and have even more pantry area if you need it.
Yeah.
All right, controls are right there going up the steps. This is going to go into the bedroom, and this is where you had all that great basement storage on the outside. This is going to give you a king-size bed over here. Of course, you do have windows all the way around with the blackout shades. You've got reading lights up there on both sides. Some shelves right here, right on the front, and not bad space around it. I mean, it is a king-size bed. Sometimes it's hard to get around. Let me turn up here so you can see all this wardrobe area here at the foot of the bed. Yeah, so you got great shelves. That side's going to have some hanging. Nice big drawers. There's a little seat right there if you want to sit and put your shoes on. More drawers under that. They're going to give you a 32-inch TV in here. And in here is where your third AC is, and it's going to be the whisper quiet in here also. So, yeah. All right, we're almost done. Now it's time for the M&Ms. Let's go in.
Oh my goodness.
So yeah, this is going to have a rear bath, and this one is just, I mean, this is just amazing. Jayco knocks these out of the park for sure. You do have your foot flush toilet down here. Your tissue holders are already in place. Really great solid surface sinks. You have 2 sinks in here. Now these are backlit mirrors, so there's not medicine cabinets there, but you have all of these drawers. And yeah, very good storage under there.
Hey!
Hey! Yeah, there was no way that this one was not going to get the plunger award. I mean, this one is just great.
I love these drawers.
And the shower is
34 by 48.
ooh, wow, that's a big shower. There is a skylight up there.
I like it.
Yeah,
Like
it is an encore. It does have a sink there that will fold up out of the way. It looks like it's pretty much flush, so once you step over the door there, you're flush. If I didn't point it out, there's your heating, and there is some lighting down here on the floor. But hang on.
Oh my.
So, if you need some more hanging area, and there's your extra chairs. This also will double as your linen closet, or if you need it, it is prepped for a stackable washer dryer.
Good
Wow.
night.
Okay, I don't know. I can't say anything but wow.
We have done this floor plan before,
We
but
have.
man, it is so good.
It's impressive every time you see it, and this one being full body paint just makes it even better. That's like the little cherry on the top.
All right, everybody. If you like this Jayco North Point, the dealership's information be down in our description. And if you're watching this, that means it's Thanksgiving the next day. So thank you so much, everybody. And if you enjoy this and come out and buy it, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.